Okay guys, this is the third type of braid. This is the second type of ladder braid, I should say. Now I'm going to split this basically in half, because with this one you want two large pieces, then you want one very small piece. I'm just going to take a little bit from one of the halves like this, because it really does need to be a fairly small piece. Okay, and this one's actually pretty easy because you can do almost the entire braid before pulling up the ladder piece. This one's nice because it can be really, really tight. So if you want something that's easy and quick to do, because you can braid almost the whole thing, this one's awesome. Okay. The one thing about these ladder braids is it's going to take the hair, once you push it up, it's going to make the hair about half the length. So they are going to be relatively short compared to your bubbles and your thick piece ladder braids. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like from here. I'm going to keep going in a minute, but I'm just going to hang on to the small piece and press the other pieces up. It creates this effect. Get closer, please. Now what's cool about these is that as you come down the braid, the center piece is going to be a different color than the other two pieces because it's in a different place in the braid, in the length of the ombre. So it almost looks like you're weaving a ribbon through it when you press it up. So one thing to know about these ladder braids is that if you're cutting these in half and making the shorter braids, you could take a full length piece of the ladder braid and do a full length piece and then pull it up to very, very tight, and it will actually be about the same length as half when you're doing the shorter pieces. So these are kind of fun. If you're having to split your rainbow in half, for example, orange, yellow, or like blue, purple on one side and orange and yellow on the other, you can do the ladder braid with the entire spectrum of the rainbow to tie it all together, and it'll have all of the rainbow colors in one strand and be the same length as your shorter pieces. So hope that helps somebody.